Happy New Year's, you guys. Look who I have here with me. Us. Oh. Okay. And as you all can see, my car is full of stuff. I'm taking a trip because we're moving. And today I'm on my way to pick up my keys to our new place. So yes, I am going by myself with Onyx. Then he's going to catch me later. Brian's working midnights, which means he's working 10 p.m. to 6. I figured since we're taking both cars to start taking stuff little by little, I figured I'll just go before. So we're moving to another city, which is 2.5 hours away from Miami. And that is why today we're taking stuff little by little, because the official move, and what do I mean by that? The movers, they're going to come in 2 weeks. So we have to be moved in by the 31st. So let's give it a week. Let's say we have to be moved in by the 21st. And today I pick up my keys, our keys, and then we are good to go. I'm excited because now we will have a bigger place. I obviously have mixed emotions because I've been in Miami my whole entire life, but I'm also very excited for a new beginning and also a calmer place, because the city we're moving to is nothing compared to Miami. And also because this place that we currently have was our first place together, and we literally had to buy from forks to everything, like picture everything because we had nothing. That's also where we first brought Onyx to. So speaking of Onyx, the place we're moving to is completely new. We're the first ones moving in, so that's a new feeling of a 2-story place, so a lot of space. And we are super close to the beach. We have everything close by, and it's also very centered, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, I currently have 2 hours ahead of me. I'll be here. I'll try to catch up with you guys as much as I can, and also I do want to vlog the whole experience of moving into the new place. Fingers crossed I do a good job and I don't forget to vlog. Onyx. Dude, it's also super cold in Miami. What the hell? It's like 50 degrees and I'm fucking cold. Onyx! ¿Qué tú haces? Okay, so I forgot to vlog. This is the current situation after unpacking all the cups. So here I decided, since I'm putting the coffee station here, I'm gonna have all the mugs, you know, coffee, water. Oh. I like that you can see outside. There's my car. Here are the shots, cocktails, and then I have half of my plates. I'm missing a bunch, but we are done with that for now. Mira eso!
It was cash only, didn't have cash.
Oh, I have cash. So we're back home and we got turf for Onyx, and then so because of those gaps, Onyx will be able, Onyx will be able to live through those gaps. So we did buy these thingies so we can, avoid him leaving, right? And then I bought these sets for the bathrooms because now we have 3 bathrooms and I only have stuff for 1, obviously. So I bought 2 of these. Oh, let me see how it looks. Honestly, it looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Amazing. And then I have another one here to set up for the guest room. Cool. These packages I got today, they were left at receiving, even though I asked for them to deliver it to the door. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of the whole receiving situation, but oh, I need my other hand. No.
What the fuck?
I didn't say that.
You did say that.
I just said I don't know. Round 2, because option number 1 didn't work. More turf para el niño. So Rami here, and then this is for the bathroom. I needed this and this. And then this, I'm very excited about. Attempt number 2 and final. Amazing.
Lo que la duda siempre fue.
The light is not working. Whoa. Perfect. Amazing work. Got more turf. Para niña. Ooh. Wow. Amazing walk.
Mira, ya lo que después lo vamos a ver con una.
Yeah, later.
Luego para aquí.
Ah. Let's see. Oh. Amazing. It's for the guest bathroom. This is for la escalera. Oh, se cayó un coso aquel.
Oh, that was nice, though.
It, right? We shall see. I don't think enough.
Really?
Maybe it does bring it up. Yeah. They're kind of like.
They're soft.
I was gonna say Onyx, try them on. Maybe not to Onyx.
He's trying to.
Mira. Look, it's going back and forth. ¿Te gusta, niño? Ven, va. Come on.
Literally one.
Bruh.
Tirón para arriba. It looks sick, right?
Yeah.
I gotta eat it now, like I think the last bottle.
I brought yeah, 1, 2. Bye bye for now, Onyx. Say bye.